In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use incognito mode in Microsoft Edge, also known as browsing in private. This is a great feature if you're looking to browse without leaving traces like history, temporary files, or cookies on your device. So let's dive in and get started on how to access this mode in Microsoft Edge. First off, you'll want to open up Microsoft Edge on your device. You'll typically find the Edge icon on your desktop or in your taskbar if you're using a Windows machine. Just give it a click and you'll have the browser open in no time. It's worth noting that in private browsing doesn't make you anonymous on the internet or hide your browsing from your employer, school, or internet service provider. It's just about keeping the browsing info out of your local computer. Once you have Microsoft Edge open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll notice a three-dot menu icon there. This is a pretty handy menu where you'll find various settings and tweaks you can make within Microsoft Edge. Click on this icon. It opens a drop-down menu packed with options for customizing and controlling Edge. Now, look through the options and spot the one that says New in Private Window. Give that a click. What just happened is that a new browser window should have opened up, and you'll immediately notice that it looks a bit different. This window should have a dark theme, setting it apart visibly from a regular browsing window, and you'll also see an In Private label. This distinct look is to let you know that you are now in the In Private browsing mode. If you're someone who prefers using keyboard shortcuts for efficiency, here's a quicker way. Simply press Ctrl plus Shift N on your keyboard while you have Microsoft Edge open. This shortcut is a straightforward and speedy method to launch a new in private window with just a couple of taps. It's just a faster way to get you into incognito mode without clicking through the menu. And there you have it, you're now all set to browse in Microsoft Edge's in private mode. Remember, while this is a fantastic feature for enhanced privacy at a surface level, always be aware of the limitations regarding complete anonymity. Enjoy your browsing, and feel free to explore safely and securely. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorial content.